This is why you need to budget like a boss. In this Money Smart Basics video, we will dive into how to save more, stress less. Join me as I tackle the challenge of creating a budget from scratch. It's time to manage money like a pro without breaking the bank. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. Take control of your money, not letting it control you. Know where every dollar goes and plan your financial future. Budgeting empowers informed decisions about spending and saving. Make conscious choices, not depriving yourself. Align spending with your values and goals. Budgeting is the first step to achieving financial peace of mind. It's a roadmap to financial freedom. A well-defined budget acts as a financial compass. Prioritize your spending wisely. Track income and expenses for financial health. Start budgeting today for a brighter financial future. Achieve your dreams and live a fulfilling life. Knowing your income is the foundation of any successful budget. Track all sources of income, including salary, bonuses, and side hustles. Accurately calculating your total income provides a clear picture of your financial resources. This knowledge is essential for creating a realistic budget. Allocate funds effectively and prioritize essential expenses. Knowing your income empowers informed spending decisions. Regularly review and adjust your budget as your income changes. Stay proactive to achieve your financial goals. Setting financial goals provides direction and motivation for your budgeting efforts. Think about what you want to achieve financially, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or investing for retirement. Clearly defined goals give you something to work towards and keep you focused on your financial journey. Start by setting SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to save more, set a specific goal like I want to save $5,000 for a down payment within 2 years. This approach makes your goals more tangible and easier to track. Break down your long-term goals into smaller, manageable short-term goals. This makes the overall process less daunting and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Each milestone achieved reinforces your commitment and keeps you motivated to continue your budgeting journey. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Life circumstances change and your financial goals should adapt accordingly. Stay flexible and reassess your goals periodically to ensure they align with your current priorities and aspirations. Creating a budget is the cornerstone of effective financial management. Track your income and expenses to gain a clear picture of your financial health. List all your income sources and categorize your expenses. This helps identify areas for improvement. Choose a budgeting method that suits your lifestyle. The 50/30/20 rule allocates income to needs, wants, and savings. Stick to your budget and review it regularly. Discipline and commitment are key to achieving financial goals. Section 5. Managing expenses. Trimming the fat and saving smart. Managing expenses effectively is crucial for achieving financial stability. Start by identifying and eliminating unnecessary expenses. Look for areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. This could involve canceling unused subscriptions, brewing your own coffee instead of buying it daily, or packing your lunch instead of eating out. Prioritize your spending and focus on essential expenses first. Make sure your basic needs are covered before allocating funds to discretionary spending. This ensures that you're meeting your financial obligations while still enjoying some flexibility in your budget. Explore cost-saving strategies such as using coupons, comparison shopping, and taking advantage of discounts. Small changes can make a big difference over time. By being mindful of your spending habits, you can free up more money for savings and debt repayment. Negotiate lower rates for services such as internet, cable, and insurance. Don't be afraid to ask for discounts or explore alternative providers. You might be surprised at how much you can save by simply asking. Tech-savvy budgeting for the modern age. Leverage technology to streamline your budgeting process. Numerous apps help you track income, expenses, and set financial goals. These tools can automate many aspects of budgeting. Explore popular apps like Mint, YNAB, and Personal Capital. These apps offer expense tracking and investment management. Find an app that suits your needs. Utilize spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets for manual budgeting. Spreadsheets offer flexibility and customization. Create charts to visualize spending patterns. Use online banking tools to monitor accounts and set up automatic bill payments. Many banks offer online budgeting features. Manage your finances in one central location. Section 7. Staying on track. Adapting and thriving on your budget journey. Review your budget regularly to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Life circumstances change, and your budget should adapt accordingly. Track your spending, identify areas for improvement, and make adjustments as needed. Regular review keeps your budget relevant and effective. Stay motivated and committed to your budgeting journey. Celebrate small victories along the way to reinforce positive financial habits. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for sticking to your budget. This helps maintain momentum and keeps you engaged in the process. Don't be afraid to seek support from friends, family, or financial advisors. Sharing your budgeting goals with others can provide accountability and encouragement. A support system can help you stay motivated and navigate challenges along the way. Be flexible and adaptable in your budgeting approach. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Experiment with different budgeting methods and tools to find what works best for you. Your budget should be a dynamic tool that evolves with your needs and circumstances. Section 8. Handling unexpected expenses, weathering financial storms. Life throws curveballs and unexpected expenses are inevitable. Build an emergency fund to cushion the blow of unforeseen events such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Having a financial safety net provides peace of mind and prevents you from derailing your budget. Start by setting a small savings goal for your emergency fund, even if it's just $500 or $1,000. Gradually increase your savings over time until you have enough to cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This provides a buffer against financial hardship. Consider setting up a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund. This helps keep your emergency fund separate from your regular spending and prevents you from dipping into it for non-emergency expenses. Explore options for reducing unexpected expenses. For example, compare insurance quotes to find the best rates, negotiate payment plans for medical bills, or consider DIY repairs for minor home or car issues. Being resourceful can help you minimize the financial impact of unexpected events. Section 9. Long-term financial planning, investing in your future. Budgeting isn't just about managing day-to-day expenses, it's also about planning for the future. Consider your long-term financial goals, such as retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education. Develop a financial plan that outlines how you'll achieve these goals. Start investing early to take advantage of the power of compounding. Even small contributions to investment accounts can grow significantly over time. Explore different investment options such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Contribute to retirement accounts such as a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages and can help you build a substantial nest egg for retirement. Take advantage of employer matching contributions if available. Consult with a financial advisor to create a personalized financial plan. A financial advisor can assess your current financial situation, discuss your goals, and recommend investment strategies tailored to your needs. Section 10. Seeking professional advice. Getting expert financial guidance. Don't hesitate to seek professional financial advice when needed. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance and support on budgeting, investing, and other financial matters. They can help you develop a comprehensive financial plan and navigate complex financial decisions. Research and choose a qualified financial advisor who aligns with your values and goals. Look for certifications such as Certified Financial Planner, CFP, or Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA. Interview multiple advisors to find one you feel comfortable working with. Ask potential advisors about their fee structure and services offered. Some advisors charge a flat fee, while others charge a percentage of assets managed. Choose an advisor whose fees are transparent and reasonable. Be prepared to discuss your financial situation openly and honestly with your advisor. This includes your income, expenses, debts, and financial goals. The more information you provide, the better equipped your advisor will be to provide tailored advice. Section 11. Conclusion: empowering yourself through budgeting. Budgeting is a powerful tool that empowers you to take control of your financial future. By tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goals, and making informed spending decisions, you can achieve financial security and live a more fulfilling life. Embrace the budgeting process and unlock your financial potential. Remember, budgeting is not about restriction, it's about empowerment. It's about making conscious choices about your money and aligning your spending with your values and goals. Start your budgeting journey today and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or challenges along the way. Budgeting is a continuous process that requires patience, discipline, and adaptability. Stay committed to your financial goals and celebrate your progress along the way. Take advantage of the numerous resources available to support your budgeting journey. There are countless books, articles, websites, and apps dedicated to personal finance and budgeting. Seek out information and guidance to enhance your budgeting skills and knowledge. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. I bet you didn't know nearly 70% of Americans lack a budget. Let's change that today. Take control of your finances one step at a time. It's easier than you think. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.